Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, yes, sorry about my nails. Some of them came off. So today I'm going to be showing you some of my new fidgets and some of my old fidgets. So my room, I cleaned it. So that's why you're probably like, why is it so clean? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Sorry about all the noise. I had to get my fidgets out. So first we're going to start with the new ones. So here's this poppet I got. Listen. It's not even on the loud side. And then this is the loud side. I really am in love with this. Sorry for not posting in a long time. It's just I haven't been getting many subscribers. So I was like, maybe I should just stop YouTube. And then I was like, maybe some of my followers actually want me to do more videos. So this is the poppet. Oh, sorry about like the blinking lights. I actually have my LED lights on. Okay, and then we have 3 monkey noodles. I have this green one, and it's the thick ones, and they're really good. I have this green one, this purple one. It's another thick one. This pink one, it's also another thick one, and they're pretty long too. Listen, I'm gonna use one. It makes a weird noise. If you heard that. And so I have these monkey noodles. I stretch them. I can't really stretch them right now, but they go pretty far. And then I have 2 color changing needles, actually. These are new, brand new. I squeeze them and it turns pink. And then it's actually blue. And I don't know what they're made of, but I'm gonna do a video where I wash all my fidgets because they're pretty dirty, as you can see. But I don't want to show that because, like, I don't know. As you can see in this color changing needle, look at my LED lights. They blink. Hold on. They blink different colors. Okay, this one turns purple. Okay, that's all of my new fidgets. You probably, give you a peek. You probably saw my other videos all my fidgets, but it goes by so fast. So this is a pop tube, a pink pop tube. And then you can pop it in, you can make shapes with it. So this is a not new pile. I have them in this basket. So yeah, and then I have them in a different basket. And then I have this poppet. It's kind of new, but not as new as these ones. Listen. A mini heart poppet. And this is not outside. So yeah, and then this is my other poppet. The rainbow. I have a snapper. I have this slime. Actually, I have 21 of these, but they're all like different. I have this black, white, and gray dimple. I really love this. These are hard to find for some people. It depends where you live. So yeah, I really like that one. Here's my globble. It's purple. Somebody's gonna be like, no, it's pink. But that's because of my light. It's actually purple. And yeah, I had an Orbeez stress ball, but I don't have it because I cut it open in one of my TikTok videos. So yeah, this is my Mochi. Her face is like almost gone. this infinity cube. A simple dimple. Do y'all know in TikTok they have one that's simple dimple, pop it squeeze, pop it squeeze, pop it squeeze, simple dimple, pop. 3 fidget spinners. Y'all probably know how they work. If you don't, like that. A marble mash. And this, but it's not even really a fidget. So I got this from a fidget store, but it's not even a fidget. I thought it was going to be better, but because I couldn't play with them, they just gave them to you. But it's not even a fidget. You can do this, but you can't squeeze it or pop it or anything. So that's it for today. If you have any ideas of what videos I should do next, leave it in the comments section below. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every single time I post one of these videos.